In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record your bill payments so your books stay accurate and up to date. Let's start inside your QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin recording a bill payment, look toward the top left of your screen for the button labeled New with a plus sign. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Pay Bill. This is the form you'll use anytime you want to tell QuickBooks that a bill you previously entered has now been paid. Once the Pay Bills screen opens, the first thing you'll want to confirm is which account the money is coming from. At the top of the form, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose a bank account or credit card. Make sure you select the same account you used in real life to pay the bill. For example, if you wrote a check from your main checking account, choose that checking account. If you used a business credit card, select that specific card. This step is important because it determines where QuickBooks reduces the balance, keeping your bank and credit card registers accurate. Next, scroll down to the list of unpaid bills. Here, you'll see your vendors and the bills you owe them. Find the vendor you paid, then locate the correct bill line. You might have multiple bills for the same vendor, so double-check the due date and amount to be sure you're choosing the right one. In the payment column, enter the amount you're paying. If you're paying the full bill, QuickBooks may autofill that number for you. If you're making a partial payment, simply type in the partial amount. QuickBooks will keep track of the remaining balance for you. After that, you'll specify how the payment was made. If you paid by check, enter the check number in the appropriate field so you can easily match this later when reconciling your bank account. If the payment was made electronically, such as through online banking or another payment service, choose the electronic option or indicate that it's an electronic payment instead of entering a check number. This helps keep your records clear and makes future troubleshooting much easier. When everything looks correct, you're ready to save. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a few options. Save and Close will record the payment and return you to your previous screen. Save and Print will record the payment and open a printable copy, which is handy if you need a physical check or documentation. Save and New will save this payment and open a fresh pay bills window so you can quickly record another one. And that's all there is to it. Follow these steps each time you pay a bill, and QuickBooks Online will keep your vendor balances, bank accounts, and overall financial reports accurate and up to date.